Best morning drinks for diabetics. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a special episode for our diabetic viewers, which most of you are, as we are going to discuss the best morning drinks to jumpstart your day. I'm your host, Dr. Ergin, an endocrinologist, a diabetologist practicing in Florida. Now, keeping your blood sugar levels in check doesn't mean you have to compromise on flavor or enjoyment. So let's dive in, right? First up, we're going to talk about organic, fresh coffee. Now, we all love a good cup of joe to wake up in the morning, right? Don't we? The good news is you can still enjoy your daily brew. However, it is important to keep it to just one cup. Moderation is the key when it comes to the coffee, but that doesn't mean you cannot savor every sip. Now, we have an undeniable truth for you though. Coffee may just be a bit of a tease for your blood sugar levels. Yeah, it's like the plot twist in your favorite series. Just when you thought all was well and bam, coffee is out here playing the hard to get with your glucose levels. So what is a morning person to do then, right? Well, consider pressing the snooze button on that coffee maker and wait until your body's had a chance to fully wake up after having these other drinks that I will talk about today. Now, think of it as letting your metabolism put on this daytime best before you introduce it to your beloved Java. It's not you, it is a timing. Sometimes coffee just needs to make a fashionable entrance a little later in the morning. Now, you should also know what not to drink, right? Fruit juices, for example. That's because even though it is natural, it's fruit, right? But the juice of the fruit is very high in sugar, which isn't great for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. But don't worry, because we have got a fantastic alternative for you. Now we have SugarMD DiaBtea, especially crafted for you for diabetics with a mix of hibiscus, rosemary, olive leaf, black cumin, and more. Not only does it have a lot of health benefits for you, but is also an absolute delight to taste. It is the perfect drink to add to your morning routine, tasty, healthy, and diabetic friendly. Rise and shine, sleepyheads! Guess what? While you were in the snoozeville, your body was pulling an all-nighter, and now it is parched. That's right, your body's been on a liquid fast while you were dreaming about winning that great bake-off. So, what is the H2O lowdown? Water. Plain and simple, right? Like that one friend who tells it to you straight. It is the Beyonce of morning drinks, folks. You can put some cucumber, some lemon, make it tasty, make it flavorful, and chuck it down. Why not wake up your taste buds with a zesty twist of a lemon in your water, right? You're gonna get extra vitamin C. Nothing wrong with that. Think of it as that unexpected splash of color in your wardrobe. Simple, yet kind of revolutionary. And if you're bold enough to dance with the apple cider vinegar in your water, sure, get ready to tango with your metabolism first thing in the morning. But my friends, steer clear, please, of the siren call of fruit juices, which pack a sugary wallop in each glass. The only time you would drink a fruit juice if your blood sugar is really low, if you're on insulin or something, right? Your blood sugar doesn't need that roller coaster ride every morning. It is not a theme park, right? It is your health. Remember, you're not trying to win a gold medal in the Sugar Spike Olympics. If you do so, go ahead. And for the grand finale in our beverage saga, why not add a twist of aloe vera or ginger to your morning liberation for an inside-out glow? But hold the applause, because we have got a morning champion that might just deserve its own Marvel movie. Turmeric and pepper water. This dynamic duo kicks off your day with a heroic burst of anti-inflammatory action and a sidekick of nutrients. Alright, so you adventurous mixologists of the morning routine, I'll tell you a few things more about how to get this done right. Here's where you get to play mad scientist with your mug. When it comes to adding aloe, ginger, or turmeric to your morning elixirs, think of your taste buds as your personal lab partners. Some like it hot, some people like it not, and that is completely cool. Baby step your way into the world of zingy ginger intensity, or do a cautious tango with the boldness of turmeric. Start with just a whisper of these power-packed ingredients and level up as your palate becomes the fearless explorer we know it can be. And remember, just because turmeric is the superhero of spices, it doesn't mean that you should go full Hulk mode with that the first thing you try. Now play it nice, play it easy, like Sunday mornings until you find your own Goldilocks zone. Not too little, not too much, just a perfect kick to your taste. Well, let's cheers to that morning drink. It might just be mightier than the coffee bean. Just don't tell coffee I said that. We are still in good terms with it. Remember, managing diabetes does not mean you have to give up your favorite morning drinks. You just have to make smart choices and make an easy transition. Stay tuned for more videos like this. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, share. Our channel is always ready to give you best health and wellness advice. So, cheers to a healthier you. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this channel so far, and I hope you subscribed already. If you didn't, do it. And if you did, watch this video right there. I think that will help you too.